How to create a simple linear regression in Excel. Example. Enter data in Excel. Select Data tab and then select Data Analysis. In Data Analysis dialog box, select Regression. Okay. In Regression dialog box, select Input Y range and insert B1 to B11 cell number. Then select Input X range and insert A1 to A11 cell number. Because a label is used for each column, select Labels checkbox. Next, in the Output options, select New Worksheet Ply and OK. Result is shown in the new worksheet. Result includes the intercept and slope of regression equation, and R square.